Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson cubes and cube roots. Now coming to the worksheet 2, question number 1. Find the cube root of the following by prime factorization method. The examples we have understood how to do the prime factorization method and find the cube root. So we'll do the worksheet 2 sums. So it is a 5, 8, 3, 2. It is an even number. So start with the 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 remains. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 1 remains. 2 6s are 12. Next 2 1s are 2. 4s are 8. 1 remains. 5s are 10. 1 remains. 8s are 16. Again 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 9s are 18. Now it is not possible with the 2, try with 3, 9, 10, 11, 18. Yes, divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 1 remains, 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Now 3 2s are 6, 2 remains, 7s are 21. Isn't it? Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay? So we are writing cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube into 3 cube. Hope you remember, I have told you already cube root has to be written like this. 3 has to come inside this mark. Okay? Now cube root and cube will get cancelled. So 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Answer is 18. Now coming to the cube root of 1728. So 1728. Start with the 2. 8s are 16, 1 remains, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 remains, 2 6s are 12. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 how much are 1? Small number, that is why 0. Take 1 to the next, then it is 16. 2 8s are 16. You have to be careful in this step. Now 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 2 7s are 14. See, if it is a big number, it goes on continuing. So if you don't have the place, you can try like this. This 27. So you make the groups of 3 triplets, that are grouping you do, and then 27 you take it to the right side. Now again you start. Now it is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Understood? So you make the groups in triplets and then the number, it has to be taken to the right side and then it has to be again prime factorization should be continued. Is it clear? Now otherwise you have to continue like that only. If you don't have place, then you have to try this method. Now cube root of you will be writing 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. That is, in the denominator, it will be the numbers, whatever you get, it is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Answer is 12. Only the bases you have to write. Cube root and a cube will get cancelled. Is it okay? Now coming to the third sum. It is a cube root of 216,000. It's a very big number. Okay, slowly we have to do. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 1 small, that is why 0, take 1. Now it is 16, 2 8s are 16, 000, 2 5s are 10, 4s are 8, 0 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 7s are 14 and 000. Now again 2, 1s are 2, 3s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 10, 2 zeros. Now 2, 6 are 12, 1 remains, 2 7s are 14, 1 remains, 5s are 10 and 0. Now it is 2, 3s are 6, 3s are 6, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 1 remains, 5. Now this you can take it to the right and then again you can do, but I will do this place, that is why I will continue. Now ending with 5, not possible with the 2, try with 3. So 3 plus 7, 10, 15, 18. So 3. 1s are 3, 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 15. 3, 3s are 9, 2 remains, 7s are 21, 1 remains, 5s are 15. 3, 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 1 remains, 5s are 15. Now it is 5. 5 25s are, 5 5s are and 5 1s are. Okay. Now cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube into 5 cube. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Whenever 2 and 5 is there, group it first. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 6 10s are 60. Okay. Now coming to the fourth sum. It is a 2 1 9 5 2. Start with 2, 1s are 2, zeros are, now 1, take it to the next digit, 2 9s are 18, 1 remains, 2 7s are 14, 1 remains, 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 1 remains, 8s are 16, 1 remains, 8s are 16. Again 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 4s are 8, 4s are 8. Now it is 2, 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 remains, 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 6s are 12, 1 remains. 8s are 16. 1 remains. 2, 6 are 12. Okay. Now again 2. 3s are 6. 4s are 8. 3s are 6. You know, 343 is the cube of 7. So 7 49s are 7 7s are 7 1s are. Is it clear? Now cube root of 2 cube into 2 cube into 7 cube. 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. Is it clear? So first question, worksheet 2, first question we have finished. Hope everyone understood. Okay then, bye. Thank you.